Hello class 8. Today we are solving third part of exercise 4.2, that is construct a rhombus BEND. The name of this rhombus is BEND, where the measurements are given, that is BN is 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.5. Now what is given to us, that these are diagonals. देखिए diagonals दिए हुए हैं. As I told you, if they are jump B and N, BN is one diagonal and ED ये jump में है, means one skip हो रहा तो ED, तो it is DE or ED 6.5 centimeter. We have given two diagonals, that is BN and DE. तो diagonals are given. Now how we will construct it? कैसे बनेगा इस rhombus? That is, first we are drawing the rough sketch of this, that is B, E, N and D. So B, E, N and D. The rhombus will be like this. All the sides will be equal, and this is given and this is given. This is given. ED is given 6.5. That is given 6.5 centimeter, and BN is given 5.6 centimeter. These two measurements are given. Now we have to draw. We have to construct this rhombus. First we will draw. First we will draw this diagonal ED. What is the measurement of ED? ED or DE? That is 6.5. So with the help of the scale, we will draw the line segment DE or ED, that is 6.5 centimeter. As you can see, 6.5 from 0, 6.5, this is 6.5. So 6.5, this is 6.5, 6.5. That is E and D, 6.5. Now what we have to do, diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means if I am drawing the second bisector, that will be the perpendicular to, so I have to bisect this. So more than half of this I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment ED. Okay, now how we'll do, more than half of this ED के more than half से ज़्यादा हमने कंपास को ओपन करना है. ये more than half है, तो one arc we will put this side on the upper side of ED, and one arc towards the down this side and this side also, both the sides. Now from D point also we'll do the same without changing the compass, this radius, one arc here and another arc here, this side. Okay, I think this is not properly done. Like this. Okay, both the way we have done. Now I will join this where the intersecting points are there. इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट को मार्क करेंगे और इनको ज्वाइन करेंगे. Okay, now I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of this ED. इसका perpendicular bisector मैंने खींच दिया है, मीन्स यहाँ पे 90 का भी बना रहा है और इस वाली ED को बिल्कुल हाफ में डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो लेट इट नेम एज O. जहाँ पे इसको कट कर रहा है इसको हम नेम करेंगे O. अब नाउ वी हैव, ये वन डायगोनल हमें मिल गया और ये अभी सेकेंड डायगोनल मिला है, बट वी डोंट नो द मेजरमेंट. अब व्हाट इज़ द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दिस BN? द BN इज, लुक हियर, द BN इज 5.6 सेंटीमीटर. दिस सपोज आई हैव, ये वाली लाइन सेगमेंट में हमें BN ढूंढना है, दैट इज़ 5.6 सेंटीमीटर. तो मीन्स इस O से लेके यहाँ तक का, इफ दिस O पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू डिवाइड दिस O point is divide this BN into 2 equal parts. इसको 2 equal parts में करेंगे. So we are going to divide this. So BN is equal to 5.16. So O यहाँ पे B है और यहाँ पे N है. So OB will be 5.6 divided by 2. So that will be 2.8 centimeter. OB 2.8 होगा और ON will be also 5.6 divided by 2, that will be 2.8 होगा. दोनों 2.8 सेंटीमीटर होंगे. ओके, नाउ यहाँ से 2.8 बिकॉज दैट वी हैव डन 2.8. देखो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज़ 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज़ 2.5 और 2.5 से 3 लाइन्स मोर, तो दैट विल बी 2.8 हो गया. एंड वी विल लाइक दिस. अभी मेज़र कर लिया 2.8, we'll measure 2.8. Now from O we will mark 2.8 with the help of this compass, and from O again from other side also we'll make a arc. This is for 2.8. Now 2.8 is this. What is the name of this point? This is B. Okay, and this is N. This point is N. Now we will join these. All the points. Now B and N. B to D. D to N. E to N. And E to B. So the length of, if we will measure these all sides of this rhombus, that will be equal. It will be equal. ये line इसको bisect कर रही है, and this perpendicular bisecting this line segment, and this is bisecting this line segment. So this is our required rhombus BE and D.